Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up smart loop for drag and drop on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and enable the drag and drop. We're gonna go to the settings and scroll down to accessibility and convenience. Here we want to scroll down to drag and drop. We want to enable it. And what we can do is we can go over to Chrome. Now we can easily, let's say, search for HardReset.Info, and we're gonna select the AI mode. So maybe not the AI mode. We're gonna go for the interview. Here we have it. Now what we can do is we can copy the text. We can press it, and as you guys can see, we have it. We can go over and paste it in the notes for an example. Let's quickly click on the plus button, and as you guys can see, it did not work. So if it did not work, what we can do is we can simply go here, enable the quick note, and let's go back. Let's grab the text again. And of course, let me just put it here. If it does not go in, try and make it a little bit bigger, because I know that it works. So just grab it. And it will be just like this. So you have to make the application bigger, otherwise it won't work, as you guys could have seen. Now we can make it full screen, and here we got the entire thing copied. So this is how you guys can do that. All you really need is to select the text, and once you select it, you hold your finger until it goes here. Here we can save it to the file doc, and that's how you guys can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.